Yo, hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are having a blessed one from me. I just wanted to pop in before you guys check out this reaction. I just wanted to let you guys know that I've recorded 5 reactions yesterday, but due to the rain being so hectic and being so terrible that the audio quality was just not perfect enough for me to actually put out there for you guys to hear, because the background noise of the rain hitting the roof just makes a terrible sound on the audio, on the official output of the video, you know. So I couldn't let you guys sit with that cut audio. So I'm going to redo it. Here, help me with JT Ultimate, and then it's going to be redone. And all the other tracks I hopped on for YNW Keys and everybody else going to get recorded soon and uploaded again. But Chandra say sorry for the wait. But like Lil Wayne said, sorry for the wait, but the wait is gonna be worth it. Trust me, familia. But y'all, in the meantime, enjoy this reaction. I'ma check you in the next one.
Camera shallow flow, high sick. Exchange of nice bro. I got the mythic. Like why you wanna copy my flow? Ik heb raad een man, ik was hem maar voor die bouw. Ik heb mijzelf nog gebouwd, wat praat jullie nou?
Goals to remove the procrastinator, betraying you to put aside your passion. You're on the same page of life's book, pick up the paint, beat the brighter picture. That specific chapter could possibly change your entire story plot. Just be patient and pay attention. There's no need to pull a pistol, pussy. Promise every prayer's gonna push you. Leave plenty of room for improvements of people.
Yo, it's your favorite white boy reactor from the bar. What's good, familia? Hope that you guys are all doing good, because I'm doing amazing today. And why am I doing amazing, you say? Because my favorite Haunt fucking dropped the track.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you
We don't care.
Jimmy G dropped the track with Major today. And the song's actually been out, didn't drop today. Song has been out, but we're gonna be reacting to it today. Away. Don't mind my glasses. I just got moved by the autistic kid around the corner. And now my glasses are skew.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
But it's fine, man. Jimmy G just dropped a track, so nah, this doesn't bother me at all. Jimmy G just dropped a track with Major called Just Got Flow. And I'm not gonna lie, I heard a little snippet of this on TikTok, and this track is called Just Got Flow, ne? So you're supposed to go before onto this track, ne? Like a before the flow, you're supposed to spit on this thing. But then I hear that he dropped a diss track, a little snippet diss track for M Joyner in here. And my bro, this man embarrasses M Joyner so badly, go. Like, if I was M Joyner watching this, bro, I bet you M Joyner is like phoning Keister now and saying, did you just hear Jimmy G drop a diss track on me, blah, blah, blah. You must react to it and tell me what you think of it and blah, blah, blah. If it's good enough, if I can come back on this. Because I don't think M Joyner would last in a diss track session like back to back with Jimmy G. Like, you see when Junior King and Garo G were going back and forth with diss tracks. Now just imagine if M Joyner and Jimmy G had to go back and forth with diss tracks. Who do you think would actually win that? Who do you think? Who do you have your money on winning that diss track back to back battles? I have my money on Jimmy, bro. Always gonna have my money on Jimmy. This bro
I am shocked. Shocked. Well, not that shocked.
is a fucking legend. This bro's penmanship, my bro, should be locked in penitentiary, bro. Nah, this bro's a eister. Nah, Jimmy G's a eister, bro. If you guys don't know who Jimmy G is, my bro, then you guys better go do your research, or you guys better get the fuck out of PE. Because if you don't know who Jimmy G is and you live in PE, my bro, now you only spawned here today then, my bro. You don't... PE is not your home. You can't go PE or Mother City if you don't know who Jimmy G is. That's like saying don't know who Junant and Jackie is. No. You can't be so uneducated in the music industry like that. No. And you were South African. No. That's even worse. No. But you know, Jimmy G is actually dropping a mixtape soon. Here's the mixtape track list. It's called Sensei. It's got a drop in with a few fucking bangers and 5 exclusive bonus tracks to the mixtape. To the album, I mean. He's not doing a mixtape or EP. He said, nah, fuck a mixtape, fuck a EP. We're gonna hop on an album, because we never released the album yet as the G5, you know. Now it's time for the album. He's in album mode now, my bro. It's album season, my bro. This season is album season for Jimmy G. And let's see this album, ne. I know a lot of the rappers, ne, almost every single rapper can't top their old work. That stock that blew him up, you know. Like San, eh? San's new stuff is flipping good, but I've heard one or two songs that weren't even released to the public and stuff of San, eh? That like makes me think that some artists, eh, not being rude or being disrespectful or anything, but majority of the artists, eh, their old stock is goated, bro. Their old stock is always going to be their hardest. No offense to Jimmy or San or anybody else who's watching this that's an OG. Your stuff is still fire now today. To this day, your new shit is still fire. But I'll always fuck with that old school stock, bro. That old school stock is where it all started. That's why I'll always fuck with the old school stock more than anybody's new school shit away. But yeah, without further ado, Major, Jimmy G, Just Got Flow. Let's get into it.
Finally!
Hey.
Narvaza on the beat. Yeah, smoke.
Yeah, Jimmy, I didn't know you got the moves, go. Haters are gonna say that this is AI, that you aren't really dancing here. But don't let them discourage you, my bro. You know you can dance. We know Kati was a big dancer and stuff, even though he was singing. I knew Kati could dance and shit, and Shorty 187. So did they teach you how to dance or something? Because yeah, you're going the moves, yeah, I see you, bro.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
You're getting into this track heavy.
This one's fuego.
Okay.
This one's fuego.
Yay. Now you know this is going to be a problem. Now you know Jimmy's gonna be a problem on this track, bro. This is drill, me, bro. And for you that don't know, Jimmy has been hopping on a lot of drill numbers lately. And every drill number that is hopped on, bro, is murdered that beat. He's literally showed us that Jimmy G is not just that old school rapper. He can murder any modern type of beat. You know what he said, Mos? Him and Kati said on that one track. Can't remember if it's Wonder What next, hulle Wonder What's next, but the old school cat on the modern day trap. The old school cat on that modern day drill. Yeah, and he's still killing it, bro. Better than most of these owens are killing drill. To me, ne, I'ma be honest, ne. Jimmy, no offense, Major, no offense, but I hate drill, bro. I don't like drill numbers. It precedes the wrong message, man. But away, anyways, let's get into it. Haha.
Fuego.
Okay.
This one's fuego.
Jere, allemaal vragen waar is mij zo? Ik is dan nog steeds die zo mijn puta. Jere, mij ze raakt dan niet goed aan. Ik kan Jammy vreet aan niet goed aan. Hoe kan hij wel aan? Ik kan mijzelf ge...
They asked me where I am, my bro, but I've been here. I've been killing the shit. Me and Jimmy have been killing the shit, my bro. Don't worry where I am, my bro. I've been in the studio. I've been on my grind, my bro. I've been doing what I had to do, bro. You see, a lot of Owens, ne, they like to disappear from social media and disappear from like the public eye view, ne. Just to work hard as fuck in the silence. So when they come back into the public view, the public is gonna be like shocked and surprised, like, what? You are like gone and now you come back in example now, you dropped the whole album, 3 music videos, you performing at this show, you doing a tour or something, but you were just gone now for a week off social media and now you come back and you're doing all of this shit. Don't underestimate the Owens when they disappear, bro. Working in silence. Hey.
Jere, allemaal vragen waar is mij zo? Ik is dan nog steeds die zo mijn puta. Jere, mij ze raakt dan niet goed aan. Ik kan Jammy vreet aan niet goed aan. Hoe kan hij wel afstaan de ouw? Ik heb mijzelf gebouwd. Jullie zou wachten op mijn ekkers. Die tas gaat, van die tas gaat, maar die tas gaat te blauw. Ik kan niet wel...
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Lach je de...
Ik is hier Just Gat voor de Just Gat met die Just Gat flow. He's not a Just Gat for the Just Gat on this Just Gat flow. Okay? I hear you. I hear you.
Ja, de meisje raakt aan die goed, ik kan Jamie vreet aan die goed. Hoe kan hij wel afstaan de ou? Ik heb mijzelf gebouwd. Jullie zou wachten op mij, ik als die tas gaat. Van die tas gaat, maar die tas gaat te flauw. Ik kan niet wel lachen de ou. Nee man, wow, aan mijn kamer die zelf flow. Hij zegt ik zijn zo bij nice, bro.
How can he laugh at these Owens? It's all using the same flow. It's facts though. It's facts though. That's why I say I don't like drill, bro. Because everybody is rapping the same shit and coming with the same culture gang flow on these drill numbers, bro. So I say I don't like drill. And with me saying that, don't you Owens notice almost every single artist that's coming out nowadays with drill numbers, ne? All sound the same. They're all trying to imitate Culture Gang or they're all trying to imitate Luda G. And why, if you want to be an artist, ne, how can you base your career on mimicking someone else's sound? Then that's not your career, my bro. You basically being like a fan rapper of this, bro. Nee, go. Nee.
Like why you wanna copy my flow? Ik heb raad en neem man wow. Ik was aan mij voor die bouw. Ik heb mijzelf nog gebouwd. Waar praat jullie nou? Jullie kan niet doen wat ik doe niet.
Okay, Major. Not gonna lie, ne? Not gonna lie, ne? Respectfully, I didn't like that verse so much of you in that other track with Zola and Drippy. And I'm not really happy with this verse that you spat here. But I must say you sound better than that other verse. This verse sounds a bit harder than that other verse, I must say. Nobody that wasn't a drill number or something. And this is a drill number. This is still hardcore. This is hard. I must say that. Respectfully, I must say that. Hey.
Ja, de arme vrouw waar is meisje, ik is dan nog steeds hier zo mijn puta. Ja, de meisje raakt aan die goed, ik kan Jamie vreet aan die goed. Hoe kan hij wel afstaan de ou? Ik heb mijzelf gebouwd. Jullie zou wachten op mij, ik als die tas gaat. Van die tas gaat, maar die tas gaat te flauw. Ik kan niet wel lachen de ou. Nee man, wow, aan mijn kamer die zelf flow. Hij zegt ik zijn zo bij nice, bro. Hij komt dan met ik, like why you wanna copy my flow. Ik heb raad en nee man, wow.
Wow.
Ga maar voor die bouw, ik heb mijzelf nog gebouwd. Waar praat jullie nou? Jullie kan niet doen wat ik doe niet.
I built myself up from the ground, my bro. So you can't come talk shit about me or come laugh at me or whatever. I built this shit. I built myself from the ground up, my bro, by myself, without anybody's handouts, with anybody's help. I did this all by myself. So I don't give a puss what the fuck anybody out
No more saying cuss words, guys. It's inappropriate and violent.
there has to say about me or has to say about my style or the way I'm rapping or about who the fuck I am and the way I'm moving. Because yous can't move the way I'm moving. Because a lot of Owens are talking and saying they're going to do this and going to do that and they have this future and all of that. But what are they doing to actually pursue their future and actually go forward with what they want to do in life? Are they actually doing what they need to do to take that steps to actually go forward in life? Or they just sitting on their gut the whole day and just like complaining on the next bruh and trying to bring him down because he's doing something better than you are in life. Damn. Facts though. It's facts though.
What the fuck? No!
Ik zijn zo bij nice, bro. Hij komt dan met ik, like why you wanna copy my flow. Ik heb raad en nee man, wow. Ik was aan mij voor die bouw. Ik heb mijzelf nog gebouwd. Waar praat jullie nou?
Oh,
Jullie kan niet doen wat ik doe
don't need
niet.
that.
Jullie
Kan
kan
niet
niet
move
moves,
it,
ik
move
move
it.
it. Jullie kan niet doen wat ik doe niet. Jullie kan niet moves, ik move.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Ooh, okay. Jimmy G just entered the chat, guys. Jimmy G just entered the chat. So let's prepare ourselves. Let's get our listening ears on. Jimmy G just
What an idiot!
hopped onto the stage, go. And you know what, Jimmy G, we had to come prepared, my bro, because it's Jimmy G. This is a fucking G from back in the day. And when you listen to a G from back in the day, you know they're gonna come with proper bars and with proper sound and everything, my bro. So you know we gotta be prepared, bro. This is just like reacting to any other OG. But this is a unique OG, ik say. So have to get prepared there, you know. Keep my body loose.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Kan niet doen wat ik doe niet. Jullie kan niet moves als ik movie. Jullie kan niet doen wat ik doe niet. Jullie kan niet moves als ik movie. En Rick weer Uzi, als een Steven Spielberg movie. Damn! Het is boozy, maar dan samen weet je, als ik groep en je zo veel. Die zet die voor me. Damn!
That's why he's the GOAT! The GOAT!
Shush, 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 shush. Jimmy G, for your comeback, my bro. Nee, this is actually hard, bro. This is actually hard. I'm not gonna lie, ne. That snippet that you showed for your mixtape, I'm not gonna lie, ne. Please redo that, bruh, because the audio, quality, like the mixing and mastering sounds crap, bruh. It sounds very bad. And I don't want, I'm not being disrespectful or anything or rude to.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you something. We don't care.
The Owens that produce and mix Jimmy's music and that like handle all the like the music shit and the production of the music and stuff, ne? I don't want to see this mixtape end up like Evil Deeds. Evil Deeds was a good mixtape. I know that mixtape, ne? But just the production quality, man, was just a bit bad. And I don't want to see that on the Sensei album. Drippy or Zola, if you're watching this, please bring Jimmy G's like sound, ne? Tune his sound into the sound it used to sound like when In Your Face mixtapes dropped. When that volume 1, 2, and 3 mixtape dropped. That's how Jimmy G's voice should sound, bro. That clear and that not like executed, you know, away. Well, what did this man say, yo?
Ik kan mijzelf nog opbouwen, waar praat jullie nou? Jullie kan niet doen wat ik doe niet. Jullie kan niet moves als ik movie. Jullie kan niet doen wat ik doe niet. Jullie kan niet moves als ik movie. En Rick weer Uzi, als een Steven Spielberg movie. Young bitches boozy, maar dan samen weet je.
Die rap is een Steven Spielberg movie. Oh wait, who is this guy? Steven Spiel. Now you.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I never knew who Steven Seagal was until I realized that this bruh is Steven Seagal. And I never knew that his real name was Steven Seagal. And just like in Batman Killer, you introduced me and told me, you reminded me on who Nicolas Cage is because I forgot that Nicolas Cage is Ghost Rider. But then you reminded me on that. Now who is this bruh you talking about, Ko? Yeah, I'm so uneducated, Ko. Like, I watch a whole lot of movies, ne?
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you something. We don't care.
Watched a lot of movies back in the day, and I've watched so many series, bro. Probably every series you can think about I've watched. But who is he talking about, though? I just don't know the names, like the real life names of most of the people that I watch and shit. But who is he talking about? So who is he talking about? Hey.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
I'm so confused.
Kan niet doen wat ik doe niet. Jullie kan niet moves als ik movie. Jullie kan niet doen wat ik doe niet. Jullie kan niet moves als ik movie. En Rick weer Uzi, als een Steven Spielberg movie.
Bitches boozy, maar allemaal witse is een groepie.
Damn!
Die bitch is boozy. Yo. Die bitch is bougie. She's one of those hoes they wanna fuck in a group me, bro. She's one of those bougie women. They don't look like that type of freak, ne? But then she ends up being one of those people that wanna fuck a whole group, bro. I want a whole gangbang me, bro. Want a groupie. That is fucked up, Ko. I will never date a chick or be with a chick that enjoys getting fucked by multiple men at a time, bro. That is just fuck, Ko.
Nice.
That is just absolutely fucked. Yo, sy sit hier my nie in die mootie.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
This bougie bitch likes to keep herself all that and that, ne? Doesn't even put Jimmy G in the mood, bruh. Doesn't even get his pills stiff. And you know Jimmy G is one of those bros that like women go. They're in love with women. But this woman, for instance, she doesn't turn him on at all. So that tells you something, bro. As a cunt, if you don't turn the woman machine on.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
By Jimmy G. And then you're doing something wrong. Julle kan nie move soos movie. Jy is 'n pyl, ons sit hier met nie in die moetie. Don't you booty. Daga, I'm done with moetie. Just as that is. Bro, I don't know what to say about that. Daga, yaje, movement, moetie. What do I say to that, my bro? You move with moetie. Hey, I rebuke any negativity from this track. In the mighty name of Lord Jesus, I rebuke any negativity from this reaction.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
Just Machic made the fucking 2-piece. Whoa. I ain't trying to get shot today. So I'ma say nothing to that. All I'm saying is be careful. Careful. Oh. He marches alone. He doesn't need no fucking 2-piece. Usha, nah, I respect that, my bro. A brother doesn't need a gun to move around, my bro. A brother doesn't need to carry a book to move around to survive and shit.
Damien Richardson, T-Dog. I see Boertje, I see Kale Daimi, bro.
I respect a brother like that, my bro. Say no to guns. Say no to crimes. Say no to killings. Say no to all that shit. And if I see you have a gun, my bro, I'm gonna take your gun from you, my bro. Then I'm gonna break it in front of you.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Just got flow. Cho. Daga, oh wait, moetie. I smell something cuck is gonna come on. I smell cuck making coming up, bro. I smell cuck shit coming up, bro.
Damien Richardson, T-Dog. I see Boertje, I see Kale Daimi, bro.
What? Someone is going to get a hot sword today, bro. And it's not me. Fucking poop. Your career is small, like that dick shape in your on your anime, bro. Your career is small like that dick shape in your anime, bro.
pussy. Ek is in die boef, daily, sommer die blues, daily. Ons druk het jy na, maar soos kan jy wil stoppen. Jy try my vergeet, wat
Okay.
jy in die toppie. Jy rap ook een kak soos die strip aan jou onie. Jou carrière so klein soos een tolly.
Oh, you rapper kom kak like die kakstein in jou ollie, my broer. Yeah, jou carrière so like a tolly. Yeah, she's funnily on the pocket. She's funnily out of pocket go. Yeah. This is the most funniest shit I've heard in a track all year, my bro. And I heard a snippet of Jimmy G say, "Horse ek hijack a fucking train." Nee, this is next level.
Ek is in die boef, daily, sommer die blues, daily. Ons druk het jy na, maar soos kan jy wil stoppen. Jy try my vergeet, wat hy bly in die toppie. Jy rap ook een kak soos die strip aan jou onie. Jou carrière so klein soos een tolly.
Tolly.
Consigners wie die hete klein worsie. Hier behoort de vetkoekpaleis is een manskap worsie.
En Johnny het een klein worsie. You know what they say in there? That majority of the big guys, the big guys, you know, the massive guys, they have small pille, my bro. That's why all those Owens do bodybuilding, because they have small pille. But what you mean? Jay is gewoon van vetkoekpaleis. Does that mean because he's fat and he's sitting in vetkoekpaleis all the time and he's chowing up all the food, eating all the shit there? Is that what you mean?
What an idiot!
En alone my broodie, maak sy met die fucking troepie. Sierra boetie, ek weet jy kan nie staan aan jou pussy. Ek is in die boef, daily, sommer die blues, daily. Ons druk het jy na, maar soos kan jy wil stoppen. Jy try my vergeet, wat hy bly in die toppie. Jy rap ook een kak soos die strip aan jou onie. Jou carrière so klein soos een tolly.
Like a tolly.
Consigners wie die hete klein worsie. Hier behoort de vetkoekpaleis is een manskap worsie. Hier is die eerste korsie, die eerste korsie.
Jy's 'n manskap worsie. Someone share this track to Kaister, my bro. Kaister needs to hear this go. As soon as this reaction is done, I'm going to send this reaction to Kaister so he can hear what Jimmy G is saying about him joining about his cousin go. This is kak funny. 'n manskap worsie.
Ek is in die boef, daily, sommer die blues, daily. Ons druk het jy na, maar soos kan jy wil stoppen. Jy try my vergeet, wat hy bly in die toppie. Jy rap ook een kak soos die strip aan jou onie. Jou carrière so klein soos een tolly.
Like a tolly. Enjoy
Consigners wie die hete klein worsie. Hier behoort de vetkoekpaleis is een manskap worsie. Hier is die eerste korsie en die laagste korsie.
Now listen! That's called motherfucking bars, nigga! You know nothing about that!
Just instead of just yo what this man just said about him joining, bro. Hy is die eerste korsie en die laaste korsie. If for y'all that don't know, ne, korsie is that crust of the bread, the hoe of the bread. That part of the bread in the beginning and the end that everybody touches, ne, but they don't want that hoe of the bread. Now this bro saying he's the laaste korsie. He's the eerste korsie en die laaste korsie. Because everybody goes through him, but nobody wants him. He's the hoe of the loaf, my bro. That's kak funny. Die manskap worsie. En die laaste korsie.
Ja, maar jy begrypen. Ja, schat, maak jy gou in jou naai in, man, wat don't like him. Wat ek geen nie naai him, dalle wat jy wil hy spek. Hoe kan man ek interact? I'ma wanna be like ek. I'ma let a guy wanna be like me. Relax so brie. Damn! Ek is in die boef van die honda. Wat honder maak.
Everyone wants to be like me, wants to be real as me. But nobody can, my bro. Nobody can try and imitate you. That's just a fact. Nobody can imitate the next man. Ever. No matter how much you try and put your fucking whole entire life onto imitating this person, you won't be able to imitate that person. Because it's only one of you. And it's only one of you, and you're the only person that can act like you and be like you.
pak komma. Ik sta bala iets soos 'n komma. Here puta bring 'n pretext honger. Ja, dan meisje kan nie stop.
Ek staan hulle uit soos 'n komma. So, ball that bro, that's a ball. That's a ball.
Wat ek en jy nei dalle wat jy wil hy spek. Hoe kom ek in die ek? I'ma wanna be like ek. I'ma let a guy wanna be like me. Relax sober. Kere ek as 'n boek van die honda. Wat donor maak hulle hy te lag telefoon na. Hulle raak pak komma. Ek staan bala iets soos 'n komma. Here puta bring 'n pretext honger. Ja, meisje kan nie stop ek kykie ha.
Yes, Jimmy. Yeah, Jimmy, you look most younger, yeah, cow. You look like a new man, yeah, bro. Yeah, the AI is doing you good, bro. Even me, bro, when I used AI, it made me look like a whole younger person, bro. But I'm only 20. But I look like I'm 20 filters, bro. I look like I'm 20 in filters, in iPhone filters. Yeah, Jimmy, you look like how you look, when you dropped that In Your Face mixtape before you had the dreads. Ooh. You're done. No. God damn.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Who would have known that even though Jimmy G has been out of the game for quite some time and he hasn't been consistent like he used to be back in the day, but who would have known, even though all of that shit, even though we put all that shit into consideration, this man still came back with a banger for the books, go. Nah, Major and Jimmy. Major, I must say, this is finally your first certified banger for the books, my bro. Nah, I must clap my hands for you, Major.
Enough to make a grown man cry, but not this man. Get back in there, tear.
We finally got a banger track from you, my bro. Finally a banger track came out of you.
This bullshit! This all bullshit!
I was so excited to check this one out and I wasn't disappointed at all for the first time in forever. I wasn't disappointed by Major. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's get to 420 subscribers, then we're gonna do something amazing for you guys. A last man standing event, but only if we get to 420 subscribers, and then we're gonna do something hectic, a hectic smoking event. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn those notifications on if you haven't already to keep updated with more and more bangers that gets dropped for the books. But you know, we're just dropping bangers and bangers for the books and nothing but bangers for the books. But yeah, like that being said, bangers for the books. We definitely had a banger today. Major, Jimmy G, Just Got Flow. And just for you guys that's watching this, this is just the beginning. This is just a warm-up for us to get us hyped up for the album that's dropping. He's dropping an album was called Sensei, and I hope you guys are going to be ready for that one. Because for Jimmy G to come out of retirement like this, my bro, and drop a whole album with OG bloody artist on it, just tells you, bro, Jimmy G is ready. He's ready for the rap game this year, bro. He's ready to be back into the scene and back to doing what he's always loved doing. Making music, creating bangers, and making cuck on the mic. This year, like always, like cuck on the mic. And you know, always dishing someone. When Jimmy G or Garo G drops, this year, or when they come back this year into making music, like they are, because Garo G is as well working on a album. He's got a 30-odd track album with the Garo G Mic Sniper, by the way. And they got a few EPs and singles on the side besides that 30-odd track album. So those two have actually been working still to like working. But yeah, these two Owens, when they come into this game, I bet you, just like Jimmy G did on this track now, this proved actually what I'm about to say. They're gonna come in this year with a diss for somebody, go. Jimmy G and Garo G always gotta diss somebody, bro. These two are like the two diss generals in PE, bro. these two are like on top of the food chain of dissing Jimmy and Garo G. Because I don't think I've heard any other person that can do like a rap battle and shit like Jimmy and Garo can do. Because we've heard Jimmy G's diss tracks and Garo G's diss tracks. And who besides Junant and Jackie that can compare to these two's diss tracks? I'll leave you guys at that. Leave you guys at that to debate. Because I also want to know. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, let me know in the comments as well. Who do you think went harder on this track? If you think Jimmy G's got what it takes to come back into the industry, or do you think that this track is just whack overall? But who made this track, man? Did Major make this track, or did Jimmy G, the feature, make this track? But yeah, all you artists that's busy watching this and wants me to react to their music video or audio that's out on YouTube right now, your latest releases, join the WhatsApp group that's going to be in the link below. And spam each and every latest release link that you have on your channel, and I'll gladly react to it and do a reaction onto it. Because most we're reacting to nothing but bangers for the books. And I know everybody that's watching this has bangers for the books on their channels. So yeah, spam me with those bangers so I can put those bangers on the books. In for the books, away. And if you guys want to listen to this actual official track and you want to add it into a playlist, I'll leave the official link of that in my description below as well. The official audio to this track for you guys to go like and give it a share and listen and whatever. And yeah, I'm gonna check you guys in the next one, because like I said, we got nothing but bangers and more bangers and bangers for the books coming. Oh yeah, Jimmy G, Zola, Drippy, and somebody else just dropped the track called Game Time. So we're gonna have to react to that one. Because Game Time G5. So this track reminds me a lot of Game Time when I heard the title. So we gotta get onto that song. It's out on Audio Mac. I will leave the link of that in my description as well, so you guys can just get a little intake of what you're going to be in for on the next reaction for Jimmy G. But yeah, I'm going to check in the next one. That was another one of D-Dog, the GOAT. Bruh.